continue our dance lessons. Subscribe on my channel, please. Leave your comments. From me dance, from you lace. I will open for you new secrets. Every time when you lift your leg up, your feet needs to be controlled. Flex, not like hot dog. Flex, okay? Now, super fast. Now we're gonna make a little bit routine with all moves what we do, okay? But let's do it slow. Right hand and left leg go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, basketball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3,